Good morning everyone, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing chapter more on Python. In the previous video, we have covered all the type of operators used in Python. In this video, we will start with the operator precedence. Precedence is the priority order of an operator according to which it is evaluated. Each operator has precedence associated with it, just like we do in mathematics, BODMAS. The same way the precedence work in Python. So you can see in the picture that parenthesis has the highest precedence and the Boolean operator OR has the lowest precedence. Now you can observe in the picture that some of the operators have same precedence level. For example, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus. Now this is called associativity. If the operator have the same precedence, then they are either evaluated from left to right or from right to left based on their level. It is termed as associativity, which tells the direction of the execution of the operators when the operators in the expression have the same precedence level. The next topic is of conditional statements. In our daily life, we come across various situations where we have to take decision and take actions accordingly. So let's take one example, that if the weather is clear, then you will go out and call your friends to play. If it is raining, you will sit at home and enjoy watching television or probably read a storybook. So let's observe the picture here. First, we have a condition. If the condition is true, then the code written in if statement will run. Else, if the condition is false, run the else code. So this is how the decision making works in Python. Next topic is of algorithm and flowchart. We have done this in previous class. So algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. For example, packing your school bag or preparing a tea. Next is flowchart. Flowcharts graphically represent the flow of the program. The next topic is of control statements. In computer programs, statements are generally executed in the sequential manner. However, at times, the user may need to change the order of execution by repeating or skipping the execution of a few statements. In such a situation, the flow of execution is altered with the use of control statements. In Python, we have three types of statements: sequential, conditional, and iterative. The first type of statements are sequential. The statements in a program are executed in a sequential manner, where one statement is followed by the other with no possibility of branching. For example, adding two numbers, where it will first read the value of A, then B, then it will count C is equal to A plus B. There is no other way to do it. So it is following a particular sequence. The next type of statement is conditional statements. In the programming languages, conditional statement cause the program control to transfer to a specific location depending on the outcome of the conditional expression. For example, if the number is divisible by 2, print number is even, else print number is odd. We will discuss about the conditional statement later on in the chapter. The last type of statements are iterative statements. These statements enable the execution of a set of statements to repeat till the condition is true. As soon as the condition becomes false, the control comes out of the loop and the repetition stops. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you.